Well, the intolerance debate is only getting bigger, with more filmmakers, artists and academicians joining the Rebel League. A set of 36 intellectuals have now issued a detailed statement in support of the Prime Minister. Now, the statement says, and I quote, "Intolerance in Contemporary India." It was signed by 36 intellectuals on Thursday evening. The signatories include many prominent names associated with top institutions across the country. Abhishek is on the phone line with more details on this. Yes, Abhishek, take us through what this statement essentially says.
Lucy, first I should tell you the names of the people who are associated with the statement. Lokesh Chandra, who is ICCR President, then Sahik Taragat, S.L. Bhairappa, former Pro-VC of JNU and Chancellor of the Mahatma Gandhi International Hindi University, Wardha, Kapil Kapoor, and some other names like ICHR, Dilip K. Chakravarti, Gopinath of the Institute of Sciences, Bangalore. Now, basically this seems to be an attempt to really counter this narrative that has gained media attention of late, and that is of attacking the government by the intellectuals and academicians and writers, authors, activists who have a certain ideological stand against the government. Now, this statement goes on to say that it seems that all these protests are guided by their respective ideological positions, and that it seems that in particular they have problem with the Prime Minister. They are not happy with the rise of this counter narrative in politics of India, and that is why an attempt is being made to use unfortunate events like Dadri to really hit back at the establishment, and that is why they thought that they also should come out and make a statement against this ideological intolerance that is being shown, and how come the central government be held responsible for events that are happening in the territory of the states, and the state government should be responsible and not the center. So essentially it seems that an attempt is being made to really bring in a counter narrative on this intolerance debate that has been going on for the last fortnight, and to show that maybe these protests have essentially because of ideological.
Right, stay with us. We are getting a lot of reactions to this, Abhishek. Let's listen into what Irfan Habib said.
ऐसा है कि समाज में तो ऐसा बंटवारा नहीं, बंटवारे की कोशिश की जा रही है। ये तो भारत को बदनाम करना होगा अगर हम ये कहें कि बंटवारा हो गया है, लेकिन बंटवारे की कोशिश की जा रही है और इसका हमें मुकाबला करना चाहिए।
प्रधानमंत्री को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए, सरकार उनकी है, वो मुखिया है।
मुझे कोई उनसे उम्मीद नहीं है किसी चीज की।